Toyota just dropped a bombshell with the reveal of the 2026 Toyota Camry, and let's be honest, this isn't just another mild refresh. The Camry has been America's favorite sedan for decades, but now it's evolving in ways we never expected. Bigger tech, sleeker styling, and a powertrain shift that'll get people talking. But here's the big question. Is this the most exciting Camry we've ever seen? Let's dive in. First impressions? Sharp, aggressive, and undeniably modern. Toyota is clearly taking a page out of the Lexus design book with this one. The front fascia is bolder than ever, with a massive sculpted grille that dominates the front end. Slim LED headlights give it a menacing stare, while the chiseled hood adds a muscular touch. This is not your grandma's Camry. Move along the side and you'll notice sleeker body lines, a slightly lower roofline, and a longer stance that makes it look almost like a four-door coupe. Toyota is offering a range of wheel options, from elegant 18-inch alloys to aggressive 20-inch sports wheels. And in the back, a more sculpted rear bumper, redesigned taillights, and available quad exhaust tips on sportier trims. Toyota's clearly aiming to attract both longtime fans and a younger crowd with this fresh look. Step inside and Toyota has upped its game in the luxury department. The dashboard is cleaner and more tech-focused, featuring a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and an available 14-inch infotainment screen, one of the largest in its class. Toyota's latest user interface UI is faster, more intuitive, and packed with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And yes, Toyota finally listened. Physical climate controls remain, so no frustrating touchscreen-only settings here. The seats, plush, supportive, and now available with premium leather, contrast stitching, and even ventilated options. Rear passengers get more space thanks to improved packaging, and for audiophiles, Toyota partnered with JBL for an optional premium 12-speaker surround sound system. Safety is still a priority, with the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and an improved automatic emergency braking system. Alright, let's talk power. The biggest shift? No more V6. That's right, Toyota is going all in on hybrid powertrains. The base model features an updated 2.5L four-cylinder hybrid, pushing out around 225 horsepower, while the range-topping hybrid max setup, borrowed from the Crown, delivers a serious 340 horsepower. And get this, it's paired with Toyota's E4 all-wheel drive system for extra grip and performance. Toyota promises better fuel economy than ever, with estimates hovering around 50 mpg combined for lower trims. But don't think this Camry is just about efficiency. Toyota has retuned the suspension for a more engaging drive, and sportier trims like the SE and XSE will get adaptive dampers for sharper handling. So is it a performance sedan? Maybe not quite, but it's certainly the sportiest Camry to date. The Camry has always been a household name, known for reliability and practicality. But let's not forget, the Camry once had a V6 TRD version that surprised the world with its performance chops. While the 2026 model ditches the V6, Toyota is keeping the spirit alive with a sportier hybrid setup. Also, with sedans fading in popularity, the Camry remains one of the last standing giants in a world dominated by SUVs. This redesign is Toyota's way of saying, sedans aren't dead yet. So, what do you think? Is this the bold new Camry Toyota needed, or do you miss the old-school V6 days? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love staying ahead on the latest car news, rumors, and deep dives, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching US Car Media, and as always, keep driving with passion.